Namaste. Today I am going to present in Ragam Madhyamavati a composition by Muthuswami Dikshitar, Pannaga Shayana Padmanabha. This is a very unique composition that Dikshitar has composed about the Padmanabha of Kerala. So in the Anupallavi it says, Unnata Pandya Kerala Nivasa. So it is a very unique composition by Muthuswami Dikshitar, and as you all know, Madhyamavati, it's a janyam of Gharahara Priya, the 22nd Melakarta Raga. So first we have the Arohanam Avarohanam, thereafter we have the composition. Sare ma pani sa Sani pamare sa Pannaga Shayana Padmanabha Pannaga Shayana Padmanabha Pannaga Shayana Padmanabha Paripalaya mam Pangajanabha Pannaga Shayana Padmanabha Paripalaya mam Pangajanabha Pannaga Shayana Padmanabha Paripalaya mam Pangajanabha Pannaga Shayana. Unnata Pandya Kerala Nivasa Unnata Pandya Kerala Nivasa Unnata Pandya Kerala Nivasa Unnata Pandya Kerala Nivasa Srinivasa Chidananda Vilasa Unnata Pandya Kerala Nivasa Srinivasa Chidananda Vilasa Pannaga Shayana Padmanabha Paripalaya mam Pangajanabha Pannaga Shayana. Payasana Priyakara Shrikara Parashurama Kshetra Prabhakara Payasana Priyakara Shrikara Parashurama Kshetra Prabhakara Parama Bhakta Prahlādādi Vinuda Prasiddha Guru Guha Hitopakara Parama Bhakta Prahlādādi Vinuda Prasiddha Guru Guha Hitopakara Mayatita Mandara Giridhara Karadhrida Shankha Chakra Gadadhidhara Mayatita Mandara Giridhar Karadhrida Shankha Chakra Gadadhidhar Toya Jasanati Samsevita Damodara Dayakara Varadakara Toya Jasanati Samsevita Damodara Dayakara Varadakara Pannaga Shayana Padmanabha Paripalaya mam Pangajanabha Pannaga Shayana. Ah, 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 ah.